This is a brand new 2014 Subaru Forester. It features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, a continuous variable transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, a speed-sensitive volume control system, a low-tire pressure indicator, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning, cruise control, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, a pass-through rear seat, steering wheel controls, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Hiley Buick GMC is located at 3535 West Loop 820 South in Fort Worth. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.